Looking for the best robot vacuum? Here are our top 3 picks. 1. ZCWA Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. This 2-in-1 vacuum and mop combo is perfect for homes with hard floors. It's app-controlled and affordable, but the mopping function isn't great for tough stains, and it lacks mapping technology. 2. Eufy Boost IQ RoboVac 11S Slim. Super thin and quiet, this easily fits under furniture. It's great for basic cleaning, and adjusts suction power automatically. However, it lacks advanced features and struggles with thick carpets. 3. iRobot Roomba Vac Essential. The Roomba offers powerful suction and smart navigation, cleaning in neat rows. It works on all surfaces and is Alexa compatible, but it's more expensive.